2008, when the school closed, Hilden Community Association lobbied to actually get the school back open or keep the school open. Unfortunately, they lost that lobby. They wanted the school then retained into community use or community ownership, and that's when they came to myself and other members of the Resurgam Trust to support them. Thankfully, Lisburn Castlereagh City Council purchased the school from the Education Authority, and that was the start of the journey for us here in Hilden School. It was very, very important that it wasn't allowed to fall into dereliction, and I was delighted actually to support the community to ensure that didn't happen. We have big plans for the school, working in hand with Hilden Community Association, and I think the future plans for the school are actually very, very good. 3/4 of the school will become a new childcare social enterprise, and the other part of the school will be at tea rooms. Going forward, that will create around 20 jobs. It'll bring the school back to life and bring employment and vibrance to the community of Hilden.
I've been involved actually from the early days. I knew the then chairman of Hilden Community Association. When the school closed, he literally arrived down to the Education Authority, it was SEALB then, and said the community wants this building, and that was the beginning of a journey. And it's been a fantastic journey and great for the local area. The impact's going to be massive in the local community. A lot of outcomes for a lot of people, a lot of different groups. We talked about the cradle to the grave, and that's going to be the impact. People are going to come in, they're going to bring their children in from an early age, they're going to come in and use it as a social hub, and then it's going to generate employment, of course, for the area too.